in. This is my kitchen area where I shift away the table, and this is the kitchen countertop. This is the worst case area which I'm going to start first. I drill a hole here. This is right in the center of the whole sinking area. As you can see, the edge here, this has already lifted off. The line cracked. This place is sink down. This place sink down. This side also. This side also sinks down. So this area, as according to some YouTube channels, this foam will be effective about 2 feet plus radii. So I start from the center. 2 feet plus is up to here. So planning 3 feet, I go up to 3 feet because the other hole I expand this way also here, and a few more holes. One over there, then another one behind, and one behind this wall. This come on, this kitchen wall behind the yard. There's a small area also sinks down. So I'm going to start here first. This is going to be the first time I'm putting in. Let's try. So it takes about 2 to 4 hours. So I think this whole work will take to tomorrow. Then you will finish. I think I'm going to pump on the YouTube channel. They say it's pump 2 times. Pump first time, let it rest, expand. Then pump in the second time, it might raise some more. So I'll see how I get back to you. This is the first time I'm doing it. A lot of the other assembly of this. To this you can see foam. You can just search for cell foam. Okay, so now I'm trying to pump some inside first. Let's see how. I fill it up and try to fill some gaps over here. It doesn't seem to flow up over this side. Maybe I have to do a second time or third time. This I also fill in some gap here and some gap here. Later I'll clean it up when it's hardened. Then another hole here I did. Somehow there's not much void under it. Not much void. So the foams just keep coming up. So I think this whole area is quite uniform now. When it goes down, quite uniform. But then I have a problem here. The hole I pump it in, it goes as according and expand. Then it cracks the floor tiles. So this piece of floor tile later on will have to be removed. And let me see how I can shave it down and put it more flat down. So actually lift off. I pump too much. It's actually lift off. I will have to decide later how to do it. This is my mistake, inexperience. It's lift off quite a lot. So this foam dust is still lifting it off. This is live. It's still coming up. Still coming up slowly. So I guess this tiles will go later. Later on it will go and I have to clean it up, then cement it. No choice. This one no choice. It's still coming up. Still growing. So at least this is my experience. See you later. Pumping outside. This hole I pumped, which seems quite okay. But the other two now developed cracks. These cracks are new. These cracks are new, and these small cracks are new. Because when I pump here, this whole piece, let me back up a bit. This whole piece sinks down this way more down than this side. So I did this hole first, one, so to push. Imagine I can't see the hole below. Imagine it can go this way where there's more void there. So I don't know what happened to this. This one is okay, seems okay. Then that is the second hole I did outside, which pumped until I saw the small thing come out on the side. So I stopped. then this two line, these two crack line haven't developed. Then I knock. This seems empty below, so I pumped here. A lot went in, so I stopped. After I stopped about 5 minutes, then this crack line developed. So it seems that it's pushing. I can see it's pushing all directions. This is filled up, right? There's something here. So when you push here, this one push back. Then this is elevated. This is elevated by half meter. So this space got weakened. So I will see how I patch up this piece, or I will put link concrete over, some link concrete over after I complete whatever below. So experience slowly gaining.